Here's a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle, two-door hardtop, very nice looking car. As you can see, red paint's got a nice luster to it. Riding on American Racing wheels, some Mickey Thompson tires. Those rims and tires don't have 50 miles on them. They're fresh, powered by a 402 underneath the hood, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, and it does have an electronic kick down on it. Also has power steering, power brakes. It's a nicely equipped car. This will be a nice driver quality car. I'd say at the upper level of a driver quality car. Again, you can see that paint shows very nice. A lot of new components, a lot of new parts have kind of been put into this on a restoration basis, and got this car kind of up to date and ready to be driven. You can take a look down the sides too. Very straight car. Chrome and bright work is nice on it. Let's take a look at this interior. Interior is free of rips and tears. Seats are in very nice shape, as well as the dash. As you can see, whoop, sorry about the fade there. A couple aftermarket gauges underneath for water temperature and oil pressure. Again, 400 automatic transmission, electronic kick down on it. Get around to the driver's side, and I'll kind of give you a rundown. There's a lot of new components on the underside of this car too, as far as the suspension and what have you. You can see those still pictures if you want to see the undersides, see how solid the pans and everything are, frame underneath of it. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you got any questions or would like to inquire about this 67 Chevelle at all. This is a Malibu trim level, 136 car on the VIN, so it's not an SS, but dressed up very nicely, and again with that 402 underneath the hood, paired with that turbo 400 transmission. On the underside of this car, just to kind of hit on a little bit to give you an idea of some of the stuff that's been done to it, and updates, and or just maintenance, so this car is ready to go down the road. New control arm bushings, front and rear. Does have new shocks, front and rear. New coil springs, front and rear. Let's come up here and show you something else. New brake conversion, disc up front. Does have a power brakes, the new master cylinder. Also the proportioning valve in the brake lines. All new steering linkage was recently replaced, as well as, like I said, those wheels and tires. So a lot of updates done to the suspension and drivability of this car. We're going to go ahead and fire it up too, because it's a very nice sounding car. That 402 has got a heck of a rumble to it, and runs nice and smooth. But while we're over here, take a look at the interior as far as the seats. Again, on the driver's side, make a great car taken to cruise-ins. You could show this car, or just out for that Sunday drive with the buddies or family, having some fun. So let's go ahead and fire this up here a second. See, car starts very easily. Nice running car. Aftermarket tack there. Does have a more modern stereo to it, but still has that old school look. Again, there's the gauges we were talking about earlier. Dash is in nice shape. Headliner's in nice shape. So nicely the door closes there. Just slip around to the back seat here, a little rumble coming out of that 402. Again, underside pics, if you'd like to check that suspension components out we talked about, check out the floor pans, just see what it looks like. Those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, and or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle.